Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. How are you, my dear sister and brother and friend? I am fine, Alhamdulillah. This is my second video practicing in English. You can see I am studying a school. The school name is Purva Sonadiya Prathamik Vidyalaya. This is my family school. I first my education start AK school, but after time I admitted this school in second grade. And there are many have memorized childhood with this school, which I can never forget. This is very it's this is old building, and that is new building. I complete my studies this old building. There is a playground. We was playing with my friend. It is not situated not far our home.